শিবন্তী চলে আসো, দাঁড়া এক গ্রুপটা নিয়ে এবার বাকি থাকবে কেন? দু একটা কথা বলো দেখনি প্রজেক্টটা নিয়ে কেউ। অর্ঘ টিম লিডার, সো সামথিং, হোয়াট ইজ ইউর প্রজেক্ট? ঠিক এই কন্ডিশনে থাকো। হ্যাঁ,
So our project is about Wi-Fi data communication system.
হ্যাঁ, কন্টিনিউ প্লিজ।
Me.
ইয়া
So so after 15 to 20 days training, so we are finally completed our project.
ইয়া
This system. So we have been able to create a transmitter and a receiver.
ইয়া
You can see it's kept.
Anything to add from the ladies side? There's something
So shall we go in details or just this?
in brief within 180 seconds.
So basically in today's communication system we have basically in today's communication system they use the discrete components, but in our system we are using a highly sophisticated VLSI IC which has extremely high degree of fabrication, and its packaging technique is so simple, that's why it's very unique and high tech one. So this is the specialty of the project.
Is it functioning?
Yes, it's functioning properly. I will request some of my friends to
Please show.
operate.
Yeah.
Yes.
How it is operating?
Other than
Well,
solving.
can you show us?
Other than solving.
Give us a demonstration. Yeah. Come. Please do not waste time. And so do not request other to do it. Start. Please. Focus on this side.
Supply.
Good idea. Show it physically. Is it in data generation condition or without data generation condition? Okay. Right now it's okay.
Without pulse.
Why you are doing that? Come in the group.
On. Then pan on.
So one of the actuators
Is active
at this time.
Active.
Okay. Can you switch it off?
Yes. Then buzzer.
Say something be loud. Tone up your voice, please.
LED hold on condition.
Is LED is going?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So it is linked with the cable or without cable condition?
Without cable condition.
So there is no physical cable
That's
attached
what
in between these two?
Yes, sir.
So this is totally wirelessly
Right.
operating?
Yes, sir.
100% confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from the same switch you are operating both, I mean the actuator, both the actuators, fan buzzer along with this LED or separately?
So separately, sir, we have.
How we can prove it separately? Prove it?
So LED is
That is blinking, that I understand. There is glowing for the fan and buzzer. Buzzer is not ringing. Start on the buzzer, please.
switch on.
Okay, satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Then, any other specialty of your system?
Antenna. Specialty spherical antenna.
What about data?
Oh yeah.
Sir, data.
Why you are forgetting? Remember the steps, that's why I asked you. Quantum leap होया check, quantum jump from A to 100. Or tell something about this.
So now we haven't inserted the data yet. We are just testing the pulse generator. So by changing the potentiometer, we can see that we can change the frequency of the data that we are sending.
But nothing is coming here.
That is because we haven't connected the data switch yet.
Connect it.
After we connect it, you see both the frequencies are same. So if we increase the frequency on the receiver side also, we'll get the same frequency. Now further increasing the frequency, we are getting
So
the
duty
same.
cycle is changing.
Yes, sir. Yes, the duty cycle is constantly
Okay.
changing.
So we can transmit
NRDG signals.
signal and any information which are technically known as sample voice, video or raw data can be transmitted from one point to the other wirelessly without any distortion and disturbance. Okay, so that's why we are going to prove that our project is successful. Okay, say something about the power supply part. Any problem we have faced during our
First of all, we had a little bit problem we faced due to more power we put it in the circuit.
Yeah.
So one circuit is damaged. Due to this, we are making a new circuit. Okay. So now we are recovered it, and we have decided we are finding the problem, and we also
Recover it
okay
by using
by
the
controlment of the power. So precisely at this time we have to provide power to our system, and in other way around it proves that the heart of the whole thing is very sensitive. It is so sensitive that the question of damaging this particular chip is there if we do not provide proper power supply to the system.
Yes.
Okay. And about antenna, you like to say something, Heidi?
Sir,
Ah.
we used the specially spherical antenna
Yeah.
and
In one direction it can only operate.
no,
No,
for
sir.
the spherical space.
Say something.
So it
Other
is
direction?
360 degrees are rotating.
360 rotating.
Rotating.
Continue. Why it is known as speciality spherical?
Its cross
We are
section is
calling
cut. Its cross section is cut from spherical and
Okay. Cross section. And the height of the tower can we adjust or it is a
Yes,
fixed
sir.
one?
No, sir.
Could you show us that how it can?
Yes, sir. By using the lamp, standing lamp.
You question something as an outsider. Okay. Not outsiders. Don't take it in other sense. Ask them to the seniors. Okay. And learn something from the seniors. Okay. Jaldi.
Do you have any idea?
Why not idea? What this project is?
It's about Wi-Fi wireless communication.
Wireless communication stands for, what's the broad meaning? Wireless communication
Without using cables and
without using cables. What kind of cables are normally used in communication system as of till date?
Sir,
What?
coaxial.
Bolo? Okay.
Coaxial.
Coaxial, optical fiber.
Optical fiber, yes sir.
Okay. And normal jelly filled cables,
Little bit.
normal telephone line cables. So these are the conventional cables at present time till on date we are using. But in place of that, for speedy communication as well as to maintain the reliability, so we are going for this remote communication system. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
yes.
So
Sir, I actually have a suggestion to make.
please.
Sir, later on when we are using this in a high scale purpose,
Yeah.
we can, instead of using this wire, we can use optical fiber cables.
Optical fiber cables, if we link it, link with this, so from one point to other, if it is line of sight, then it's all right. But it can be interfaced with optical fiber always. But optical fiber means it is a cable-based network. It is not remotely remote. It's not a remotely controlled one. Okay. So optical fiber is a cable link. It is nothing but a cable. But here it is remote. Okay.
Sir, I'm just talking about this wire. This one.
Oh, the interfacing in between the transmitter and the tower. Transmitting and the tower. Yeah, obviously you can use it. Not only that particular thing again.
The little amount of data loss which is taking place in this.
Yeah, the attenuation. That can, you can recover in that way around. Obviously. Thank you very much.